A very good morning, students. I hope you all are fit and fine. Now, today we will start with the sixth chapter of the grammar, that is determiners. Okay. Now, determiners, it is a word that decides, limits, or determines something about the noun. Okay. Like determines, these are the words that is used before nouns to tell you which one, how many, whose, etc. Okay, like earlier, the determiners were taken for adjectives for a simple reason that they came before nouns, but they are not adjectives because they do not describe a noun. They simply identify or specify a noun in some way. Now, first of all, we will go with the examples. Like, read the examples given carefully. Here are some examples. The big man lifted the wheel. Now here the is the determiner. Now why the is the determiner? Because this wheel is noun. Yes. And here we are talking about a particular wheel. Okay. So we are using the here. So whenever anything used particularly, when we are pointing out to a particular thing, person or a animal, we use the. Okay. This book is very interesting. Okay. Now here this book. Yes. So this is what? This is the determiner. Understood? Now in the first sentence, big is an adjective as it describes the noun, but this is a determiner because it points out a definite wheel. Yes, particular wheel. Similarly, in the second sentence, the word interesting describes the noun book, whereas the word this simplify identifies the noun book, means this particular book. Okay, so here this is what? It's a determiner. Okay, now we have different kinds of determiners. Now different kinds of determiners are, first is a and the. Okay, now a and an are indefinite determiners. Okay, a and an are indefinite determiners. Why? Because these can anyone. Okay, we are not talking about a particular thing when we are using a or an. Okay, it can be anyone. Yes, they are used before a singular countable nouns and is used before a vowel sound. In all, we use a. Yes, in all other cases we use a. Yes, for example, a box means any box, a garden, any garden, a wall, an apple, an ostrich, an uncle. Okay, like dog is a faithful animal. So here, a faithful, why? Because we are talking in general of any one dog. Okay, not a particular dog. The is the definite determiner because it points out a particular person, place or thing. Okay. Now, when we are talking about a particular place or thing, we use the. Okay. Like the computer has led to loss for many people. Yes. The sun gives us heat and light. The man you met yesterday is my brother. Now, the here we are using because we are talking about a particular man to whom the car is in the front of the house, the particular car. Yes. Now the second part is determiners, possessive determiners. Okay, now as I have explained you before also, possessive means ownership. Okay, when we are talking about the ownership, any possession. Okay, so like for example, the determiners that are used in possessive case is my, our, your, yours, his, her, its, their are possessive determiners. Now they are determiners only when they are followed by a noun. Like for example, this is my cap. Okay, now here the noun is what? It's cap. Yes, so whose cap it is? It's my cap, means I am the owner of this cap. So we are using my here. So my is what? It's a possessive determiner. Okay, she has taken her pen. Whose pen? Her pen. Okay, so her is what? It's a possessive determiner. They have taken their money. Whose money? Their money. Okay, means it's showing the ownership. Who is the owner of that money? They. Yes. Now coming to the C part, demonstrative determiners. Demonstrative determiners, these are this, that, these and those. Okay, means which point out. Yes, they are determiners only when they are followed by a noun. Like this kite is mine. Okay, which kite? This kite. Yes, that shirt is demonstrative, means we are pointing out the noun. Yes. Now the next one is determiners numeral. Numeral determiners as it is numeral itself means numbers. Okay, so it's further classified into different parts, that is definite determiner, definite numerals that tell us the exact numbers, like cardinal numbers. This is 1, 2, 3, etc. Like there are 5 girls in the class. Second one is ordinal numbers. Ordinal numbers like position, like first, second, third. Yes, Mini did not get the first prize. So first is what? It's a ordinal numeral determiner. Okay. Third one is multiplicative. Multiplicative numbers which are like once, twice, thrice. Okay. I take tea twice a day. Understood? Now coming to the second point, it's indefinite numerals. Now definite means which we can count, and indefinite means which we cannot count, which they do not tell the exact number. Like indefinite numerals are none, any, few, some, many, all, certain. Okay, like there are many boys in the bus. Now there is no particular number there. There are many boys, not exact number. Okay. The basket has some apples. She made several mistakes. So here many, some and several, these three are indefinite numerals. Okay. Now the third part is distributive numerals, like refers to each one of a number, like each book, every singer, either country, etc. Okay. Like each boy should bring his own pen. Every member should attend the meeting. Okay. I hope you all have understood. Now the next point of determiner is quantity determiners. Now these determiners refers to a quantity. Most common determiners of quantity are much, more, yes, part, half, whole, most, less, least, little, enough, such, certain, etc. Okay, like there is a little water in the swimming pool. Yes, means it's showing the quantity. Okay, we have enough food for a month. Yes. Now coming to the interrogative determiners, the last kind of determiner, when the words like what, which and whose are used before nouns to ask questions, they are called interrogative determiners. Like whenever we are using what, which and whose before the nouns and make the sentence in a question form, like whose pen is this, which book do you want, what color does she like, these are all the interrogative determiners. Okay.